Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how we can choose or control who can tag us on Instagram post. Let's get started. Here I have my Instagram opened, and if we want to control who can tag us, we can click on, first of all, we can click on profile button right here. And then click on this button on the top right corner of our screen. And then let's just choose settings and privacy, and we can go down until we find mention and tags. It's right here, guys. Click on tags and mention, and you can choose either low tags from everyone, or you can choose low tags from people you follow, and even you can choose don't low tags. And you can also choose manually approved tags. It means that if you are tagged on Instagram posts, it will ask you manually to approve the tags. Alright, and I'm just going to choose don't allow tags. Then I'm just tap on this button, and alright guys, and that's how we can control or choose who can tag us on Instagram posts. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.